Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging, so that means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside the bag. I see Joy Sunday kits. All right, this bag comes from the VIPCrossStitch store, and if they have any specials or discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right here and in the description box below. So we'll just take the first one off the top. There are 3 kits here. Let me get rid of these silly scissors. Seriously, now I'm having an avalanche. Okay. Way to start, huh? Okay. Now, this first one is 53 by 46, 14 count, was $13.12. If I could get it out of the bag. I don't know if I'll ever get it back in, but yeah. Let's just take it out little by little. Oh, I see something is stucketed down there. Don't know what. Oh, come on. What the heck? We're having a day already. There we go. I just couldn't get it to line up. All right. This one is called Russian Afternoon Tea. So you have a samovar, and you have all these lovely pastries. Some shoes, it looks like, over here. Some kind of, looks like maybe wheat. And a blanket or a coat over here, but it looks very nice. I liked all the red colors. It is gorgeous. Now I don't have a clue what that means, so if you have any idea, let me know. But let's see what the colors are. It is 250 stitches wide by 211 high, and it has a total of 53 colors. You have 50 colors in full stitch. You have 3, 6, 9 in half stitch, 1 in quarter stitch. You have 1 French knot and 1 back stitch. You have 2 sets of numbers. Top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom goes to the canvas. So let's open this up. Not seeing a whole bunch of back stitch. There's a little on the samovar. And a little bit on, you know, just kind of scattered. So it's nominal. Actually nominal on that page. And nominal on this one. So very nice. Lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. It comes in a 6-page booklet. Here's all your separated parts. So let's take a gander at the colors. Going to be very bright and orange. They're kind of, like autumn colors, kind of. Has 2 thread cards, but look at those colors. Aren't they bright and vivid? Gorgeous. Does come on the good thread card with all the information and 2 needles. So we'll look at this one. We have orangish yellow, kind of a brick color, maybe. Beautiful. Just absolutely stunning, stunning threads. Even some green thrown in there. You have 3371. We know that one. I'm not seeing that other one. I can't remember what, you know, the pewter color. Nope. Beautiful reds. We have 666 red. Anything else I know? I'm not seeing any 310 black. So I guess they're using 3371 for the darkest of dark. You have this lovely dark gray of 413. 154 is our mulberry color. 321, which I call Christmas red. But lots of reds, golds, oranges, just beautiful, beautiful colors. That is a lot of thread. Holy cow. This is going to be, I do believe, full coverage. If I could just talk. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Let me flip it. Sorry, it made me get so close there. And then I got to back up. Has the name up on top, how many stitches per stitch. Nice, big key. Nice big symbols. Very easy to see. These are all your full coverage. They run all the way down this side. And on this side, we have your half cross stitch, your quarter cross stitch, and then your French knot and your back stitch. So let me see if I can measure this. Beautiful canvas. I'll show you how clear it is. Let's see. We have 53 centimeters or almost 21 inches by 46 centimeters or 18 inches. Actual is 15 inches or 38 centimeters by 45.5 centimeters and just a hair off of 18 inches wide. So it is pretty good size. It does have some big areas. So we'll have to see. You could add as much back stitching to it as you wanted. But very nicely done. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. Yeah, I'm looking forward to working on that one. It is gorgeous. Let's take a look at the second one. The second one is 36 by 36, $9.53, 14 count. Let's see if I can get it out of the bag any better than the last one. Holy cow. That was a piece of work. Oh, it just came right out. Look at that. Holy cow. Let's not tip over the thing. Beautiful koi. It says koi 3. But I loved all the bright, vivid colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope it doesn't disappoint. I don't think it will. Let's get to the... Okay. Well, that's different. Oh, I'm like, where is everything? All right, it has 2 sets of numbers. The first set goes to the paper pattern. Second set goes to the canvas. There are a total of 56 colors. You only have full cross and back stitch in one color. You have 310 black, 154, which is the mulberry. Let's see, 666 red. I don't know if I added too many sixes there. 823, which is a dark blue. Anything else? Nope. No, 3371. The rest of them are bright, vivid colors using B5200 for the white. And none of the other colors I can name right off the bat. Look how bright and well printed that pattern is. Just gorgeous. Now this is another 6-page booklet. So on page number 1, you'll have this section, and 2 that section, and so on and so on. It is 160 stitches wide by 160 stitches high, but very nicely printed. I'm seeing nominal back stitching on this. It's mostly on the koi and a little, squiggles here and there. So nothing too hard. Nothing too hard. Let's take a look at those gorgeous colors. This comes on a regular, avalanche, regular thread card. It does come with 2 needles. Never saw this pattern before, so why not? Let's just do this. Look at those colors. It's like peacock blue. It's not my 996. I got excited too, but it went right past that. Beautiful, beautiful, bold colors. And I'm not sure what they're using for a white. I missed that part. Might find that down here somewhere. but that was a definite white. So, very nice. There's 823. You have yellows, greens, oranges, reds. We even have some purple. I don't know if I passed up 550 purple. Doesn't really look like it, but we'll check that out here in a minute. Gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning thread colors. This is another full coverage. Let me put that up there, maybe. And it's very, I want to say, lightly printed. So, yeah, it's kind of different. Sometimes they're really bold, sometimes not so much. Let's see, gotta look. No 550 purple. Okay, so that wasn't what that was. White is B5200. So, very nicely done. Let's measure this. It does have the product name and a nice big key. I will show that to you in a minute. It is serged all the way around. 36 centimeters or 14¼ inches by 14½ inches or 37 centimeters. The actual picture is a little over 11½ inches or 29½ centimeters. That way, and a little over 11¼ and it's closer to 29 centimeters. So it's fairly square. Might be a little off here and there, but very nice. Very, very nice. I'll show you the key. All your colors go around. It's very nicely printed, nice and crisp. Easy to see the symbols. So they run across the bottom and across this side all the way. And then over here you have your back stitch. And that's it. Full coverage. So it's a nice, good size. So, yeah. I just love the colors in this. Just absolutely love the colors in it. Alright, I got one more, guys. One more. This one is 48 by 38, $12.96. It is 14 count. And I don't believe I've ever had this one rendition of this. Heck, I could be wrong. You know, 5,000 kits later, some days I'm not even sure. How's that? But are you ready? Look at that leopard. I went crazy. And I'm not seeing any back stitching. Like I said, you can add whatever you want. But I thought that was beautiful. I do have a leopard somewhere, but I'm not sure that he looks like that. I think it's closer in. But yeah, love that. Let's see what we got. We have a total of, are you ready, 20 colors in full stitch. And you have one in back stitch, but it doesn't, it's the same color here, but over here. So there is a total of 20 colors. Let me open this up. So you only have one set of numbers on this. It's 167 by 222, but very nicely printed pattern. Just beautiful. I had to make sure it was 14 count. And the back stitching is just a little on his ears, his, we'll call them eyebrows, and his whiskers. I'm not, it's a 9-part thing, but 3, 6, and 9 are all little partial pieces. But very nicely done. I just love all that gold and orange colors. It's called Jungle Leopard. Let's take a look at the colors. It does come on a plain thread card. Everything comes on one thread card. We have some, what is that, yellow-orange. We have some greens, tans, really pale yellow, We have kind of rustish browns. Beautiful browns. No 310. Oh, is that 310 black? Oh, I'm doing everything backwards today. Yes, it is. It's 310 black. No 939. And they're using B5200 for the white. So beautiful greens, browns, oranges, bright yellows. Gorgeous, gorgeous threads. And they're so soft. So soft. Did I tell you there's 2 needles there? I don't know if I did or not. Let's look at the I'm anxious to see this canvas. Now, see, this one's printed darker than the last. Nice, crisp, clear, and not a lot of confetti. I think the colors are just gonna, you know, it's one of those things you look at from a distance, but very nice. Nice big key. Here's your 2 back stitches. Here's your regular colors. Sometimes simple is better than having 900 shades of pink, you know, or blue, or whatever. It kind of just drives me crazy. So therein, when you have more colors, you're going to have more confetti. This is plain and simple. It is serged all the way around. It is 19 inches or 48.5 centimeters by 15 inches or 38 centimeters. Actual is, excuse me, I choked on my own spit. 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters by 15 3/4 inches or 40 centimeters. So it's a nice side, and it is a partial, if you want to call it that. Where you see this white, you don't stitch. So it's just kind of scattered here, 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 and there. So I don't know why they didn't just do the background and make it look like that. I don't know. It's awesome. Weird. Not seeing anything. One time I did have like a plain one was a color. But where is that picture again? So yeah, I guess it's maybe the light coming through in the background. You know, and he's kind of in the shadows. So, whatever, Joy Sunday. I don't know. I can't figure these things out. All right. Yep. I don't know which one we're going to start today. We might start this beautiful leopard. I have no idea. Not a clue. Now, thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Coupons, discount codes in the beginning and in the description below. They have cross-stitch diamond painting. I believe they have paint by... No, they only have sewing things, I think. So it's been a moment since I've done a review for them. But they always have a great amount of things to choose from. So do check them out. They always have great prices and good sales. You know, buy 3, get 1 free, or buy 4, get 1 free. So do check that out. And Black Friday is coming, so there'll probably be deals for that as well. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.